This is a box of Workbench sleeve casters, and so they are designed to fit on a workbench that has 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch legs, commonly known as a 4x4 in the United States. So I was sent this box to review for free. Normally it would cost you $130 to buy this guy. Alright, so inside of it are two of these foam wrapped packages. And each package has two of these casters. So these are rated at 1,200 pounds each, and I believe that. It's a very hard plastic caster here, so if you have cracks in your garage floor that are really big, you might run into an issue with them hitting it, but they're also pretty good size around, so they're going to roll over minor cracks. It's all steel construction, looks like it's powder coated pretty well, and when you get your workbench where you want it, it has this guy that you can turn down, and it will go below the level of the caster, so you can basically solidify the position of your workbench so you don't have to worry about it rolling around. It basically will lift it off the caster just a little bit so the workbench isn't going to move. Now this does wiggle a little bit when it's not under load. I suspect if it's under load, it's probably going to wiggle a lot less than is going on right here. So very heavy duty construction. These guys are hefty. Right about at 8 pounds, so you're looking at adding 32 pounds to your workbench when you put all four of those on your workbench. It says it includes the hardware to mount them. I don't actually see the mounting hardware in this package here. Alright, there's the bag of hardware. So it includes these carriage bolts. You get 2 carriage bolts that go through both sides there. They hook into one side, bolt onto the other side, and then you also get these 16 screws, kind of hex head screws, and those hex head screws will screw in here and here. Alright, you also get the manual here, which is basically saying, hey, screw these things in. And it suggests using a benchtop drill press to make sure the bolt holes are perfectly level. So you want it to be a 3/8 inch hole for these particular bolts. So the picture basically tells you what to do. Caster wheel outside diameter is 3 inches, caster wheel width is 2.2 inches, corrosion resistant nylon caster. So for your $130, that's what you get.